channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and this adorable little bell. Hi guys, happy Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. It is Monday. It is my favorite day of the week. It is the start of a brand new week and all amazing new possibilities and all kinds of amazing things that can happen. So I love Mondays. If you're new here and you didn't know this, I'm obsessed with Mondays. Yes, okay. Can you believe January is almost done? Wow, January 20th already. Jesus, this month went by fast, and I feel like I haven't done enough decorating. And what I really haven't done is answer comments. So I took the better part of Sunday. About that. I got a phone call. We're interrupted. As I was saying, I spent the better part of Sunday reading and replying to some comments on the last few videos. Guys, please forgive me. I know that lately I just have not been able to comment back to everybody and respond in a timely fashion, because usually when I put my videos up, I schedule them to go up and then I'm off at work or running errands or, you know, just really busy. So I want you to know that I totally appreciate each and everybody's comments, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys, you truly are the ones that make my channel what it is, and I hope you know that never does a comment go unappreciated or like or share or anything like that, because it really truly does. And most of my subscribers know that I mean this from the bottom of my heart. This is my genuine self, and I really appreciate you guys. Okay, I know you're here for some decorating. Bella, stop yip-yapping. Let's get to it. Okay, the Hutch. One of my favorite things to decorate. And if you've been with me and if you're brand new to my channel, you know that this Hutch is really old. It's really traditional, like really traditional. And I love it, and I cannot part with it. But I want to update my dining room a little bit. No, I'm not going to paint the Hutch. Don't worry. You'll see, because I am going to paint something. Maybe more than something. But you'll see. We'll get to it in the next couple videos, I think. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. Okay, I'll tell you. I want to paint the chairs. Yeah, we'll see if it happens. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's get to decorating. So what I'm going to do here, and I've done this a couple videos now. I'm going to tilt my camera over a bit so you could see the shelf and stuff. I'm going to work on the top shelf and the medium shelf, the middle shelf, and then the bottom shelf. I got this from my friend Liz at Traditions by the Season. You know, I mentioned this before. This is how I fell back in love with my Hutch, because if it wasn't for her, trust me, I'd still be doing it the same way I had it up for my entire life, which is just the good dishes and the crystal, and that's it. So I like to make a really big vignettes. I am doing it really neutral. These are just ideas to give you guys to go source stuff in your house that you might have. And if you have an old Hutch and you decorate it, you know, really kind of old school, this is a fantastic idea. This is one of my favorite ideas. So let's get started. I'm going to use all white pottery with a touch of glam, because you know I like my glam. Okay, so first thing I'm going to start with is this beautiful tray that I'm just placing in the back here. This is just a white ceramic tray that I got from Home Goods or TJ Maxx or one of those places. And then I was thinking of this gorgeous, ooh, the lighting is funny. This gorgeous bird. He's from Pottery Barn. I I bought him a few years, last year maybe. He was on clearance. He has a tiny blue detail in him, like a little crackle detail, but I'll show you that after. I'm just gonna place the items for right now, and I'll show you what my thinking is. I had something else for here. Oh, the little picture. Okay. So then I have this little picture. I don't know what's going on with my lighting, but it's got a little fleur-de-lis on it, and I just put some greenery in it. Okay, so I'm gonna put that here because I like it. Now, to give the bird some like interest and stuff, I hope you can see this. Yeah, you can see that? See the bird? Oh, let me adjust this. Okay, so to give the little birdie some interest, I got these garlands. You guys seen me haul these very amazing, inexpensive garlands from my local dollar store, $2.50. I'm just taking this little garland like this, and I'm gonna wrap it around the bird as if he's sitting on a nest of greens. And I want his tail to stick out a little bit. And that's it, really. Like, I want it to cascade down and make an impact. And I think that makes a cute impact. And then at nighttime, I like these little, I got a set of these. They're these little battery-operated candles. And I'm just going to put one here and one there. Done, right? Done. And it gives it such a fresh, nice look. So I'm going with a white, like mostly white and green theme, and you know me, I'm obsessed with flowers and stuff like that. So I have this arrangement. Hold on, let me grab it because it seems to be stuck on something. Sorry about that. This beautiful arrangement that I got years and years and years ago. It's got like, it's on little feet, it's little metal feet, and it's just magnolias. If you've been with me, I've used this, oh God, many places, and I bet you this thing is really old. Oh, and I just put one of these flameless candles, battery-operated flameless candles. I'm gonna put it in the middle, right in the middle, and I think that's enough. Just done like that. And it's good enough. Now, the bottom shelf, what I like to do is I like to have symmetry in this kind of thing. So if you guys are gonna do this and decorate this kind of way, think of the entire hutch as a cohesive unit, because that'll help you trying to decide what you want to put on every shelf. For example, I have a picture in this one on the top shelf, so I want a picture in the bottom shelf. Now this one is much larger and it has the same kind of greenery, my Hobby Lobby dupe greenery. It's the dollar store. So I'm going to use that for sure. I don't know where I'm going to place it yet, but hold on. And then I need a tray. Let me get the tray. I moved the angle down so you could see the bottom shelf a little bit better. I mean, you see the bottom shelf? Okay. So here's the thinking and a tip I'm going to give you to make this really easy for yourself if you're going to decorate like this. You want to think of the entire unit or hutch or even shelves. If you're doing this on shelves, you want to think of it as an entire cohesive look. Okay, so when you do this kind of look, you want each shelf to have the same feeling as the one above, or the same look, or to be cohesive, like to kind of tie in with each other. So here's my thinking. I have a tray, I have a bird, and I have a picture. So I want to do the same idea on the bottom. So I'm gonna start with this tray here. It's another white ceramic platter. These are platters. I don't know why I'm calling them trays. Platter. And this one's really pretty. It's a beehive motif. And it's really pretty here. It's got like a lot of detail. It's beautiful. I've had this for years. So I'm actually gonna put this on one of these clear stands. So, I'm gonna put that here. Now, this platter is obviously not the same size as the big one up on top, but it's similar. And then I'm gonna use up another picture with greenery in it again, because I have a small picture on the top and a large bird. So now I'm gonna put a large picture and a small bird. So now you get the idea of where this is going. So let me show you. Now I have this little cake stand, and I have the little bird with a little bit of greenery to mimic the same as that. So now I'm just gonna put my little bird here, and it's gonna kind of hide the the bottom of that. So that's it. So it's got a cohesive look. This is what breaks it up, but because the arrangement is green and white, it ties all in to what's going on. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the one side because the one side is gonna be the sides. What I do is I make them completely identical, and then I'll bring you off the camera and show you the final result, and then I want to tell you guys something about the dining room. Let me do this side with you since we're over here. So the top shelf, I'm gonna do a tray. I don't know why I keep calling them trays. Little white platter, just to bring that cohesive look together. So I have a bunch of these kind of rectangular platters. I have some that are scalloped. You'll see on the other side. I think on the other side I'm going to use a scalloped one, but then I have this plain one, and then I have one of these. You could buy these every day, all day at dollar store, Dollar Tree, and they're great. So I'm going to put that up here, right in the corner, like that. So easy. And I always keep these decanters in my Hutch, because I don't know, this one's my parents from their wedding. Isn't it nice? And so I want that in here, but then I need some interest, right? I definitely need some interest, and I need to bring in some green. So inexpensive little pots like this. It's whitewashed, you can see it there, but it's terracotta, and it's a nice fresh pop of green. So again, it ties in. Okay, second shelf, super easy, a regular white plate. You can see it there. This plate actually mimics the large square platter on the bottom. My Hutch has these little plate grooves back there. So you just slide the plate in, easy peasy. I need to bring in a little green, and I need a little texture. Okay, so I found two of these little wine jugs, French country wine jugs. So cute. I found one at one time at a thrift store, and then I found another one at another time at a thrift store, and I'm just gonna put a green topiary bulb, and that's it. Nothing to it, just for some interest. And I want it really simple. By the way, I want it really simple right now in the winter, just so you know, because I am gonna add a lot to this, like a lot more interest and a lot more spring to it once I get into my spring decor, which is soon, I'm thinking, because yeah, the weather is so bland. I need some color now, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna use this candle holder. Here's a little bit of shine and bling, kind of to mimic the decanter on top. Remember, I talked about that already, that you need to kind of make it cohesive. So if you think about it, really, you got some shine from the glass, and then you got some shine from this candle holder. Super easy peasy. I'm gonna use another one of these, but a different color, different texture, and one of these. This is another mercury glass candle holder that I have, but it's got a funny shape and not much you could do to it. So I'm gonna use one of these battery operated little tea lights, like I have up there with the bird. So you get the idea. So we're just gonna place these right here. So there you go. And there you have your full cohesive look. Okay, I'm gonna take you off the tripod. I'm gonna show you the entire Hutch all done. It's so cute. It's so simple, so nice and fresh after Christmas with all, like all our stuff we had up for Christmas. This is a really nice, fresh, everyday look. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. I think this look is gonna afford me now not to change too much come when I do my full on spring decor and Easter decor. I can leave this up until I get to Easter, which is nice because it's got fresh pops of green in it, which also says, come on, spring, hurry up and get here. I'm tired of this weather already. And it hasn't even been a bad winter, but I'm tired of it already. Anyways, and can you imagine, this is such a neutral background that now you can add Easter eggs in it, you can add bunnies, you can change out some of the greenery for some really nice florals like green, yellows and purples. So that's why I kind of wanted to do it this way, so I don't overwhelm myself with too many things to change in the future, in the very, very near future. Okay, that is it. I'm not going to ramble because we all know that Bella likes to ramble on and on and on about nothing. Have a fantastic, fantastic week ahead. Do something amazing for yourselves. You know, go enjoy yourself. Go do something great. Have, have a break. Take a break. I can't take a break. My God, if you only knew what my schedule's like this week, you would die. But I'm having fun first on YouTube. It's first thing in the morning and fun first, then work. Okay, guys, have a fantastic week ahead. I love you. I love, love, love you. Thank you so much. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. You guys know the drill. And I will see you on Wednesday or tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe a pop-up video. Bye, guys. See you soon.